Good evening. My name is Israel Jembi from Nigeria. I want to say a big thank you to Saad Ali for setting up the free Forex course on Forex for Beginners Academy. Seriously, I've been trading for over 3 years now. I've purchased all kinds of strategies. But having used this free course, is like a total deliverance for me. I'll say that because I've been paying for different courses, and I've not been getting, I've not reached that level I want to get. But it so happens that this is a free course and it teaches market structure. I've never known what market structure is. I just use indicators, trading, and all of that. Support and resistance used to be hard, but ever since I encountered this free course, it's been, let me say, a trading changing. That's a massive change happened in my trading experience. I understand how price moves. I just go to the monthly and the weekly and apply the two-touch rule, and I get the levels and I know what to expect. Once I see price at that level, it is just moving fine. And I checked my history on my MT4. I have a high percentage win rate now. It's moving well. Seriously, this is a big deliverance for me in trading, and I'm learning a lot. Even how to use the Fibonacci, the levels. Once I draw my fib, once I see price get to the sweet spot, now I know what to expect. Using the EMAs, the 18 and the 8, exponential EMAs, it just goes well. And high percentage win rate, good results. And using the TradingView, how that when you use the double touch on the monthly and the weekly, you can lock it. And the TradingView has a lot of things than the normal chart we use on phone and on system. So I want to say a big thank you to Saad Ali. Seriously, thank you so much. I don't know, this is the quality in those free videos is just too good. So I say thank you very much. I appreciate. And also a group also where the students are. There are a lot of students there where you get to interact with students of the same kind, with the same mindset, trading the same stuff, the same idea with you. So thank you so much, Saad Ali. Thank you for this good work. Cheers and God bless.